Do you want to know how I made this yummy, delicious stew? Okay, if you want to know how I make this yummy, delicious stew, keep watching to find out more. Watch to the end, guys. Okay, and give the video a thumbs up, share it, comment, and consider subscribing if you like content like this. Okay, so let's get into today's video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, so today we are going to do some justice to this chicken and the fish. Okay, so we are going to be making some African tomato stew with the chicken and the mackerel fish. Okay guys, so that's what we're going to be doing today's video. So today is cook with me. Okay, tomato stew. Give this video a thumbs up and share it. So that's my chicken. I'm going to wash them now, put them to cook, and put them in the oven to roast. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I've boiled my chicken. I was going to show you guys where I was seasoning them, but my camera battery went off. So guys, I've boiled my chicken with some rosemary, thyme, chicken seasoning, salt, and non-cube. So now I'm going to be putting them in the tray, put them in the oven. I don't normally fry my food. I just put it in the oven, and then it comes out looking like as if I fry it. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so you can try this recipe. It's very simple, straightforward to make. You just need chicken. I'm using soft chicken. I'm not using the hard chicken, so I didn't cook it too much so it doesn't break apart. So I just cook it like it's cooked, but not 100% cooked, okay? Because I'm going to be cooking it in the oven. So I didn't add onion to my seasoning because I feel it's not necessary. I'm going to be adding onion to the stew. I'm going to be adding quite a bit of onion to the stew. Okay, so and then I'm going to be seasoning my fish with fish seasoning. I'll show you guys in a minute. Oh, I also added, forgot to mention, I also added some garlic to the chicken. I added some garlic to it. So we are going to be having this stew with white rice. Okay, once it's ready, everybody's waiting for the stew to be ready. So that's the chicken there. I'm going to be putting them in the oven. So that's the chicken, and then I have my fish here, which I'm going to be seasoning with the fish seasoning, just a little bit of fish seasoning, and then I'll set it aside and leave it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be blending some onion, the long sweet pepper, which is like a paprika pepper, the long one, and onion. Got 4 of them in there. So I'm going to be blending them. I have all my spices and everything here already, so I need to blend this, and then we can make our stew. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using some cooking oil. This is actually sunflower oil. I've already heated my pan. So I'm also going to be using this tomato. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 of them. So my oil is already heated up. My fish, chicken, everything is already done, so you guys can see over here. See, I decided to also put the fish in the oven as well, so it will come out like as if I fried it. So everything is ready. The fish is ready, the chicken is ready, so it's time to cook, and that's exactly what we are doing right now. I'm going to be adding my bottle tomatoes. This particular one has garlic, but I'm still going to be using extra garlic and ginger. It's very nice for stew, very yummy. If you don't have this, just use plum tomatoes and big pepper. Just blend them, put some garlic and ginger. If you don't have this bottle one, just some plum tomatoes, canned plum tomatoes, some ginger, garlic and sweet long pepper. I'm still going to be adding extra ginger and garlic because I just like them in the food. I'm going to be adding some pepper. So this is African stew, so I'm going to be adding chili pepper. If you don't like chili pepper, you can skip this part. Give it a good stir. I'm also going to be rinsing the bottle out a bit. So right now I'm going to be adding my curry. I'm going to be adding some crayfish. Okay, if you don't have crayfish, you don't have to put it, but I'm adding some crayfish. These are blended crayfish, grounded crayfish. And give it a good stir. And then we are going to cover it and leave it to start boiling, probably for like about 5 minutes. We are going to leave it to boil like in 5 minutes, okay? Okay, before we do that, I almost forgot something. Before we do that, let's add our non-seasoned cubes, okay? We are going to be adding our non-seasoned cubes before we leave it to boil for 5 minutes. And then we'll come and add all our proteins. Okay guys, so let's open our stew. It's boiling away. Give it a stir first. Then now we're going to be adding all our proteins because apparently it's almost cooked. You just need a few more minutes to cook. That's once you add your protein. A few more minutes and it's done. So you can see the chicken looks like as if I fried it. I didn't fry it, I just put it in the oven. Okay. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. So now I'm going to add the fish, and I'm going to leave it to cook for a bit. So right now it's practically just a few more minutes, like less than 5 minutes, and it's ready. to be eaten with some white rice or some plantain or yam, or you can use to eat fufu and okra or ewedu and amala, or pando yam if you like pando yam. You can use to eat potato as well, spaghetti, pasta. Yeah guys, so just leave it to cook for a few more minutes and it's ready. Okay guys, our stew is ready, as you guys can see. It's ready. Bring your plates, let me give you guys some. I'll post it through YouTube. It's yum yum yum. It's ready. Give this recipe a try, you will love it. So I just use mackerel fish. In case you're wondering which fish I use, it's mackerel fish and soft chicken. I put it in the oven so it comes out like as if I fried it or I grilled it. I didn't grill it, I just put it in the oven to bake, so it comes out like as if it's fried. Okay, it's ready now, so we are going to eat. Okay guys, thanks for watching.